And here are the sides the different political parties take. The Congress party says, big deal. Narendra Modi needs to answer why this snooping was happening. Shakti Singh Goyal of the Congress took the new Congress news conference today, is joining us. The BJP, represented on the program by its national spokesperson MJ Akbar, and former diplomat and former permanent representative of India to the United Nations Hardeep Puri, takes a point of view: no snooping, no big deal, no story. I wonder why the BJP is playing it down. Sabha Naqvi, political editor of The Outlook, also joins us, as also D. Raja, Member of Parliament of the Communist Party of India. My first question is to Shakti Singh Goyal. Mr. Goyal, what is more important? The gossip you are circulating, unsubstantiated gossip that BJP leaders are spying on each other, is that gossip more important? Or is the fact that Manmohan Singh possibly gave up on India's sovereignty by giving the Americans access to spy on anyone in India, especially BJP leaders, is that more important? Is gossip more important, or is the compromise of national security by the Manmohan Singh government more important, Mr. Shakti Singh Goyal?
अर्नब, जरा हिस्ट्री को देख लेंगे. जब नरेंद्र मोदी थे गुजरात में और हरेन पांड्या उन्हीं का नेता, बीजेपी का सीनियर नेता, मिनिस्टर, आरएसएस से जुड़ा हुआ, और एक ऐसा अपराइट ऑफिसर जो वहां पे इंटेलिजेंस में आईजीपी था, उन्होंने एफिडेविट करके बताया कि हरेन पांड्या का मोबाइल नंबर मुझे दिया गया था कि इसको रिकॉर्ड करो, इसको स्पाई करो. डीजीपी गुजरात ने कहा 95,000 फोन्स इलीगल टैप हो रहे थे गुजरात में.
तो आप गेसवर्क कर रहे हैं.
जो स्नूप गेट गुजरात का.
So you are guessing.
It's not a gossip.
Not gossip. I said you are guessing, not gossip. It's a mix of gossip and guessing. That's what you are doing. No, I'll tell you the facts. My question to you, sir, is very simple. Did the Congress party allow the Americans access to fiber optic cables that the US National Security Advisor could use to install their surveillance systems? आपने ऐसा किया? Did you do that?
Arnab, no one will do that, and Congress party or UP was very sincere about
classified
the national
files,
security.
This is very serious information, and MJ Akbar and Hardeep Puri, feel free to come in when you want. My information is that classified files which shed...
Sir, let me... concrete thing.
Sir,
no government will allow...
Sir, but your government did allow...
foreign country to spy anyone.
Okay, so you are saying that if it can be proven that your government allowed America's National Security Alliance...
The information is already available in the public domain. The facts that Indian sovereign space was invaded is well known. I can cite from my personal example that in October 2010, I had sent a top secret communication to the Ministry of External Affairs saying that with our election to the Security Council as a non-permanent member, I anticipated that we would be comprehensively surveilled. Today, there are documents put out in this book, No Place to Hide by Greenwald, which gives exactly which Indian missions were surveilled, which program was used, and most important, the name of the operation. Now, all this information is in the public domain, so I would advise my friends in the Congress party,
apologize, Mr. Shakti Singh Goyal,
out in the public domain, you may end up with a situation that the news is tightening around the Congress party and the UPA's neck. All this information is there. They have to make up their mind whether India was a victim or a collaborator of the NSA's comprehensive spying program. If we were a victim, then we cannot be sold a pup that data is not important and that this was on terrorism. What we are being treated to is something which would not be convincing for an undergraduate student of the intelligence community.
I agree with you. I agree with you. You see, in this you use two words: who was the collaborator and who was the victim. If this is true, Shakti Singh Goyal, you will have to say sorry on the News Hour tonight. Because if this is true, then Manmohan Singh was a collaborator and India was the victim.
There is no question about saying sorry. Today, BJP...
Sir, was India one of the... Sir, 1 minute, don't do guesswork and gossip on the News Hour.
हम भी कहते हैं, just demand from us also. Let us there be a proper probe.
Don't talk
Let us
about
there
a
be an
probe as if it is in thin air. Let
And
me get MJ
whoever is
Akbar in.
culprit,
No, the
law will take its own course.
Sir,
you cannot have something pieces from here and there, and you can say that UPA
Sir,
government has allowed
was
any foreign
India
country to tap the phone of BJP
was
leader.
India? I can see today,
In
Mr.
fact,
Shakti Singh
there is
Goyal.
the infighting in BJP. BJP leaders अपने आप में ये उलझे रहते हैं, and then they are blaming others.
Was India one of the third-party partners
Who
in
is
the
stopping
Rampart
Prime
A
Minister
program?
to come forward and say?
Was India one of the third-party partners in the Rampart A spying program? What was the extent of the surveillance? Who were the targets? What information was spied on?
Today,
No, 1 minute, Mr. Shakti Singh Goyal. Mr. Goyal, this is little more serious than this gossip that you are trying to circulate today. You know, every phone call, every fax, every email, internet chat, data from private networks and calls made, MJ Akbar, let me get you in, using voice over internet protocol software like Skype. The Americans have the right to spy on everything that comes out of India. Every little bit of data that comes out of India. This is extremely serious. You have therefore compromised India's national security by allowing that. What did you gain by doing it, Mr. Gohel? I just don't understand. What did you gain? Did the Americans share the information saying we spied on Gadkari or other BJP leaders? We'll share that information with you. Did you want that information before the election on what the conversations of Gadkari or other BJP leaders were, that you were doing something like this? MJ Akbar, let me get you in. At this point of time, the Congress is still saying, the Congress still says, this is BJP leader being spied on by BJP leader. Your response?
Arnab, let me first say very, very clearly that Mr. Nitin Gadkari has denied this completely. So
I don't expect him to confirm it at all.
Absolutely.
There's no question of his confirming it.
Absolutely. There is no question of his confirmation as distinct from the, the famous bugging of Pranab Mukherjee. I mean, Pranab Mukherjee never denied it.
Yeah, but you wanted an investigation then.
What really?
You wanted an investigation then.
Really?
Your party wanted an investigation then, when there were reports that cabinet ministers in the UPA government were snooped on. Sushma Swaraj called it India's Watergate. Why are you trying to play it down now? I just don't understand this, sir.
Who is trying to play it
the BJP.
Down? No, we're not trying to play it down at all.
Of course you are.
What I'm trying to say very clearly is that Mr. Gadkari has denied that anything of this
that
sort ever happened.
That means nothing, Mr. Akbar. You know that.
That means everything, because there is no complaint in this story.
Sir,
Nobody
I'm
has
sorry,
ever,
but you are sounding like the Congress party. Used to.
Well, maybe that is the worst crime that one could possibly commit, particularly in view of what the Congress is trying to say in terms of an alibi on the NSA issue and on the American issue. They are trying to say that this present government should investigate. Of course, anyone who has even a marginal amount of sense about intelligence knows that the moment an intelligence operation is uncovered, I'm assuming there was one, is uncovered, all of the evidence is after that hidden or changed and so on and so forth. The time to investigate it was in 2010, when the matter was hot, when the evidence was before you, when it was known. Instead, the last government, actually, and to use Hardeep's term, my friend's term, collaborated, because...
Which you are doing now. Which you are doing now. Sir, the issue at hand is this, and Sabha, I want to get you in on this, and Mr. Raja. No, 1 second. I feel that the role of Indian political parties vis-a-vis America is different when they are in opposition and when they are in power. The moment they are in power, every single Indian political party, Sabha, including the BJP, is dead scared of the Americans. I want Mr. MJ Akbar to disclose tonight. Mr. MJ Akbar, instead of obfuscating, looking the other way or pointing the finger at others, I want the BJP spokesperson to disclose tonight whether the Rampart A program with the Americans, which makes us third party to American surveillance, whether that program is still going on in India or not. Are we a third party partner of American spying using the Rampart A program today, sir?
I can tell you one thing, Arnab, that the
I
Prime
say one
Minister
thing,
Narendra
Arnab?
Modi and the NDA government at this moment will protect the national interest.
Sir, you are not answering
which
my
was
question.
abandoned.
No, you are not answering my
I mean,
question.
it was abandoned.
Sir, you are not answering
No,
my
I think-
question.
I
You are
think
not
this is a
answering my
fair
question.
answer, no?
Sir, with respect,
This is
you are not
absolutely
answering
a
my
fair
question.
answer.
No, Mr. Akbar, my question
Can
is
I,
very
Arnab,
simple.
can I say one thing?
Yes, sure, Sabha, but I think I need full disclosure tonight because what is happening is extremely serious. I don't know, Sabha, if you
Can
can
I-
hear me, but I need to know whether our government is still
Yes, I
allowing the
can.
Americans to do surveillance of this kind in India. My information is that there is no way in which it could have stopped in the last 2 months.
Arnab,
Sabha.
Arnab,
Sabha.
are we a victim or are we a collaborator?
Arnab,
Both.
There is
can I
a
say
very
one
simple
thing
question
now?
here.
Both. Sabha.
Can I?
Yes, Sabha.
Can I? Yes. Arnab, first of all, if you recall, when the Snowden scandal broke all over the world and countries
Yes.
were panicking,
Yes.
we had a very weak response from the UPA regime.
Yes.
I think if, your files will show you that, the then Foreign Affairs Minister said it's not actually amounting to spying.
Yes.
And, they did get a lot of terrorists as a result of it. So violation of privacy is always sort of covered up as searching for terrorists. That is at the international level. So we had a very, very weak response from a regime which was remarkably pro-America. And I would certainly not like to see the BJP go that way. Having said that, about using surveillance within the political system in Delhi, both in the BJP and in the Congress, people have got videotapes, recordings of each other, rivals. It's been rampant in Indian politics for some time. We all know of the scandals, some of which cannot be revealed, which cannot be shown on television. That kind of thing has been happening both in the Bharatiya Janata Party and in the Congress Party. And I think Mr. Akbar would be more informed than I am about all these matters.
No, today both.
There are two levels to this very critical debate that you've picked up.
Yes, yes. Please continue, Sabha. I didn't mean to interrupt you there. Go ahead.
Yes, no. So there are two levels. So first of all, what your point that will the Americans, they had a license to spy. According to me, they had a license to spy. They have the technology, and the government was not speaking strongly enough about our privacy rights to stop that. In fact, the important democratic country like India was making a very weak statement at that time. I personally was scandalized because as a journalist, I sort of know how important privacy can be at times. And the excuse by them was national security, that they've got terrorists.
No,
it would be very interesting to see if the BJP was to go down that path.
One second.
The BJP would also like to
May I come in?
have...
I think what's happening, Sabha, is, and I want to go to Mr. D. Raja, then we'll open it up. Mr. D. Raja, I get a feeling tonight that neither the Congress nor the BJP is giving me a clear answer on whether the Americans have a license to spy in India. The Congress says that's not the issue. The BJP says we can assure you we won't do anything to compromise national security. We are asking tonight, do the Americans have a license to spy? Does the CIA and the National Security Agency have a license to spy in India under the Rampart A program? Mr. Raja, I find it impossible to believe that that license could have gone away in 2 months since Modi came to power. These are arrangements between governments. Is there disclosure required, Mr. Raja?
Arnab, by this time it should be very clear, it should not be surprising or shocking that US government has been snooping, has been doing surveillance of the activities of other governments, the political parties of other countries, particularly of developing countries, including India. And US government considers itself as policeman of the world, and it thinks it has the prerogative to interfere in the political affairs of other countries. This is going on. The second issue is, you are asking whether UPA government acted as a collaborator. Now UPA chairperson is there. The then Prime Minister Mr. Manmohan Singh is there. Let them respond to this. Let them answer to this. Third one is...
No, they will not answer, Mr. Raja. They simply say that let the other side answer.
Let me finish. Third one is whether US government has been doing this, or our own government agency is doing, or private agencies are doing, or political rivals are doing. It is a serious matter. Why can't the political parties agree for a meaningful discussion, a thorough probe, investigation
because they don't want
into
to,
the issue?
because it will expose both the Congress and the BJP.
No,
because none of them. Because none of them.
No, let me finish.
No.
When Mr. Arun Jaitley's phone tapping issue was raised by BJP on the floor of the House, the then government responded to it, and the Delhi police was asked to investigate. If that is the precedent, why not? We have an investigation.
No, this is most, Mr. Raja, Mr. Raja, now it's open debate. This is most surprising, the BJP's response, sir. Can I tell you how
I can come in. This is not surprising. The evidence against the previous government stands established.
Sir, but
there are at least 2 counts on which
but are you willing to tell me today whether the Rampart-A program, which allows the American surveillance over every single email or conversation from India, is on or not? Are you willing to tell me they don't have the license to spy? I want to know that.
Now let me share with you the information which is in the public domain, on the basis of which I can take a position. India is a category 3 country, tier 3 country, which along with 20 or several others, category 1 countries with which they collaborate are Australia, New Zealand, United Kingdom and Canada.
So you are admitting,
we are in category 3. Which
so you are admitting what is in the Snowden files. Thank you very much. You just made the admission. These classified files, I have the information with me also, sir. This information is in the public domain. Sir, my information is...
Information is there in the public domain.
Sir,
How can you run away from it?
Where is your government's hardline on sovereignty issues? Where is the BJP's hardline? I asked MJ Akbar tonight, where is your hardline on sovereignty issues? Rampart-A, foreign partners provide access to cables and host US agreement. This allows the CIA and the NSA to convert TAP into congestion points around the world, MJ Akbar, where it can intercept the contents of phone calls, faxes, emails, internet chats, data from virtual private networks and even Skype. Where is your anger today? No, Mr. Akbar, where is your concern today? Are you the same political party that used to say that? No, where is why?
There is a line in Rampart-A which says that no collection was done by the US in these collaborators or on behalf of the US. No, you have to understand Rampart-A and then come to the conclusion of what the arrangement between UPA and the Americans was.
Sir, Rampart-A is a clandestine American program which allows the National Security Agency of America to install surveillance equipment on fiber optic cables. Everything from India can be followed. Now, I would have thought that the party like the Bharatiya Janata Party, which you represent tonight, a party which used to say, my God, if there is chewing gum with a bug in Pranab Mukherjee's room, then it is a very serious matter of national security. A party which used to say, well, if Pranab's room is bugged, then it is India's Watergate, that we are compromising India's sovereignty. Today, your party is trying to tell people, it's no big deal, no big deal. It's okay. It happens. It's a complicated thing. Why are you playing it down, sir? Why are you playing it down?
On behalf of the BJP, whereas you should be really talking on behalf of Times Now.
Sir, I am asking you, is there Rampart-A? Are you allowing American surveillance? Yes or no?
May I have the privilege of answering that? Just look at who is the victim. The victim of that operation was BJP.
Yes, so you should be speaking more about it, but you're not.
Yes,
you see, you should be more upset. Your leaders are being spied on.
I want to say...
And yes, Abba.
You know, along with the Muslim Brotherhood, look at the parties in the world. Look at, if the report that I've read in the Washington Post is accurate, then along with the Muslim Brotherhood of Egypt, the BJP should be outraged.
Yes.
You were seen by the US, as to which Mr. Narendra Modi is about to make a visit, as a party which needed to be surveyed along with certain Islamic parties.
Why don't
so
you
you should be really sort of out there with your rhetoric, Mr. Akbar.
On the 12th of July,
and,
Sabha.
Mr. Puri,
Sabha.
you are giving a very sophisticated response.
No, very sophisticated.
You are not giving the sort of gung-ho response. How dare you survey us? The
Mr. Puri, Mr. Puri, Mr. Puri, Mr. Puri,
you were surveyed along with the
Mr.
Muslim
Puri, my
Brotherhood.
information is,
That is what
no,
the
my
State Department
information
wants.
is, no, I know BJP leaders will never admit it.
In 2010, now we are 2 months old. Give us a little time. We will come to the bottom
Little
of this.
time?
I'm sure the security
Little
apparatus is
time?
examining this.
The Americans are spying into every conversation from India and you are saying little time? I mean, do you remember that in July 2010, sir, have you forgotten or have you got...
Day before yesterday.
Sir, when Snowden's revelations first emerged on the embassy snooping case, at that point of time, the Bharatiya Janata Party has a leader called Ravi Shankar Prasad who says the following quote, any surveillance on Indian systems is uncalled for. The BJP is for good relations with the US, but this is a compromise of our sovereignty. This is a compromise of our self-respect, and a compromise of sovereignty and self-respect is non-negotiable. Come on. What happened to that? Rahul Narvekar joins the debate. Am I seeing a slight disconnect here tonight? And Shakti Singh Gohel doesn't excuse you from the basic guilt of allowing the Americans in. You compromised our security. You let the Americans in. Don't do gossip and guesswork on the news hour tonight. Admit your fault. You compromised. Manmohan must answer before you, Shakti Singh Gohil, do a press conference on an issue such as this. First, admit your guilt before the people of India. Rahul Narvekar, how do you see the BJP's response tonight on the news hour? Rahul.
Well, Arnav, your
And MJ Akbar has to respond at some point. Yes.
Well, Arnav, your mood question today seems to be about some privileged information.
Yes, it
which,
is.
of course, the government in place would be best to answer, because the Home Ministry, the RAW, the investigating agencies, the intelligence agencies are currently under the jurisdiction of the NDA. So I think the Prime Minister of this country, the Home Minister of this country are best apt to answer this question, number one.
KG response
number
from
two.
you. KG response from you. A party which has allowed the Americans in must take responsibility for
First and foremost, Arnab, if there's anyone doing guesswork on your channel today, it's Arnab Goswami. Because I don't hear the UPA coming out and accepting this. I don't hear the current Home Minister or Prime Minister coming out and saying that yes, this is true. So this is only being gossiped or speculated by Mr. Arnab Goswami.
Well, you know,
unless it is established, why do you want to blame the UPA or for that matter the NDA?
Whatever you may say today and your ridiculous attempts at personalizing the conversation are like water off a duck's back as far as I am concerned, Mr. Rahul Narvekar. Because whatever you may say, the finger points directly at the UPA, because the latest revelations by Edward Snowden throw light on an NSA clandestine program called Rampart, allow me to complete, called Rampart A, and according to classified documents, India is a third-party partner of the NSA, which in layman terms, allow me to complete, means that your government gave permission to the American NSA to install surveillance equipment in India. Why did you do that?
Unfortunately,
why did you do that?
Unfortunately, Mr. Arnab Goswami, whatever you say is not the gospel truth.
This is a fact which is in the public domain, admitted by all.
You are free to
speculate. You should be ashamed of yourself for allowing this.
You are free to speculate. But the answer today to your question can be squarely answered by the Prime Minister of this country, the Home Minister of this country.
Really?
So let your question be directed to them.
I think
insofar as the UPA is concerned, insofar as the UPA is concerned, your question cannot be answered by the spokesperson of any party.
My question
because your question is concerning an issue which is of national security, an issue which is of utmost importance, and therefore an issue which is dealt by the intelligence agencies of this country. And therefore, I think it should be directed to these agencies.
One second. Now, Mr. MJ Akbar, I am asking you once again. Please tell me whether Rampart A, the American surveillance program, is currently on in India.
Arnab, yes. May I have the privilege of answering that? I am absolutely sure, although I am not in government, neither is Hardeep, that the government is taking a full rational analysis of the information.
Sir, you are still not answering. Mr. Raja, is Mr. Akbar answering the question? I don't think he is. Mr. Akbar has many qualities. One of them is that when he chooses to, he can be a wordsmith. And tonight he is using whatever words are at his disposal, Mr. Raja, to avoid a fairly square question. Pawan Verma joins the debate. MJ Akbar obfuscating. Raja has a question for MJ Akbar tonight. Mr. Raja to MJ Akbar.